In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. So you can see right here, I currently have all of these different dates, and I'm going to show you how to change these into a couple of different formats. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is just click on the cell number at the very top, and this is going to select the entire column. Now, you just need to go and click on Format in the top navigation. You can then hover over Number, and from here, you can select Date. Now, that's the first way you can go and convert your dates, and you can see now that if I go and double click on any of these dates, it will pop up with the calendar and we can go and select the date manually from here. Now, another way to do this is let's go and select all of the numbers once again. You could then click on Format once again, click on Number, and this time we're going to select Custom Date and Time. Now, as you can see, there's a whole load of formats that we can go to choose from for our dates. You can also include the time if you're trying to display that as well. So let's say I wanted to use this format here. You can just go and select it and then press apply, and that's another way to change your date formats. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.